Today I will teach you how to tell whether or not your iPhone has been refurbished. iPhones are typically considered refurbished when they have been repaired and resold by Apple or a third-party vendor after a hardware issue was found in the original phone. You can often determine whether or not an iPhone is refurbished simply by looking for the following signs: lack of packaging, worn out or absent accessories, scuffs or scratches on the iPhone. Method 1. Checking the model number. Open your iPhone settings. It's a gray app with gears on it and typically found on the home screen. Tap General. This option should be near the bottom of the screen. Next, tap About. It's at the top of the General page. Scroll down to the Model section. You'll see a collection of numbers and letters to the right of the model designation. See if your iPhone is refurbished. The first letter in the model name will tell you your iPhone status. If the first letter is M or P, congratulations, your phone is an original retail model. If the first letter is N, your phone was refurbished by Apple. If the first letter is F, your phone was refurbished by a carrier or a third-party vendor. If the phone you're buying has been activated, that doesn't necessarily mean it's refurbished. However, this process will weed out people attempting to sell a phone as new when it's actually used. Open your iPhone settings. It's a gray app with gears on it and typically found on the home screen. Tap General. This option should be near the bottom of the screen. Next, tap About. It's at the top of the General page. Scroll to the serial number section and look at it. You should see a series of letters and numbers listed here. Make a note of this code since you'll be entering it into Apple's database. Open Apple's Check Coverage website. Enter your iPhone's serial number, verification code, and click Continue button. Doing so will take you to your iPhone's diagnostics page. Review your iPhone status. If the phone is brand new, you'll see something like, "This phone has not been activated" at the top of the page. If you verify that the iPhone has been activated and the seller is attempting to sell it as a new phone, consider buying from a different source. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.